So I'm Joe LaGenusa, National Sales Manager for Access Manufacturing Systems here in West Springfield, Massachusetts at the EASTEC show. We couldn't be happier to be out seeing customers and prospects again. So we bring our products, SolidWorks, CAMWorks, and Markforged, all three of our printers, here to the EASTEC show, not only to engage with our existing customers, but also to find new customers as well. We have demo stations lined up to actually show our software, and we also have our staff here for sales purposes for all of our 3D printers. In addition to the printers, we also have sample parts here as well to show what the printers can actually print. I think that our staff really does a nice job of engaging with customers and prospects when they come into the booth, but it's also the quality of the products that we're showing. Even though some of the booths may do the exact same thing or similar, our products really set it apart.